Again na. Great Lost Love, Bakulina One Shot AU. Nakaiyak ba to? Oh my God, I want to cry kasi Girls Hangout! Yun yung name ng GC. Hindi ako magpapatawag doon, so basahin ko lang. Sabi ni Miles, which is Ate Maloy, Girls, lunch together, G. Sabi ni Ate Jo, or si Cass, Hello, I'm not busy, so I'm G. Sabi ni Ate Aya, aka Monique. Hello, I have afternoon sked. Hanggang 2 p.m. lang ako, but I'm G. Sabi ni Miles, Hey, how about our bunso? At Shayna, baby. Is that me? Am I the bunso? Hi, I'm not busy po. Ang bait naman nagpopo naman sa mga ate. Are you G, baby? Sabi ni Maloy. I am. Okay, Kasa, as usual. Pa-reserve na ako. Okay, girl. Yay! See you, girl. See you po, ates. Sobrang galang na ng batang to. Ay, nagpid sa Ate Maloy. Lunch with the girls. Pero selfie lang niya. A lunch with them. Ito rin si Ate Jo nag-post. Picture lang niya. Ikaw ba yung pagkain? Ay, si Ate Aya din. Si Monique nag-post din. Kaya Ate Aya wala masabi, maganda yan eh. Shayna arrives at the restaurant and her friends are already sitting at one of the tables. They start to order what they want, and while waiting for the food, it's their cue to do the girls' talk. The three girls started to talk about what happened to their days these past few weeks. The chit chats and jokes can be heard in their table, but they stop when they say Shayna. Shayna bunso, Miles called, tapping her shoulder. Shayna came back to her senses and she saw how her friends looked at her with concern. You're pacing out, love. Are you okay? It was Monique. Lagi naman akong tulala eh. Shayna gives them a small smile and assures them that she's okay. Ganito yan ng Blooms. Ganito yung reenactment in real life. Shayna gives them a small smile and assures them that she's okay. Ganun ko sinabi sa kanila. You sure? Are you tired, Cassandra? I'm okay, girls, I guess. I'm just a little tired because of schoolworks that I finished last night, she reasoned. Wala ka namang school, be? The three just nodded, understanding what she wanted to say. It's not that long when the food arrives and they start eating their lunch. Shayna is now joining their talks and smiling a lot unlike earlier. They finish their food and the three bid their goodbye to her because of some errands to do. Shayna is now sitting alone arranging her things when she heard someone calling her name. Sha! The girl called. Shayna looked up and there she saw the girl standing in front of her while smiling widely. Shayna automatically smiled. It's weird that someone can make her heart starts beating rapidly with just a smile. Agoy! Nag-tweet ako sa doctor. Gosh! I'm tired. I need a breather. It's not bad to walk at night naman, no? Delikado yan, be. Shayna already wears her pajamas when she decides to take a break from her schoolwork and just walk outside. She thinks that it helps her to take a breather after a tiring school week. She was startled when she saw a familiar girl standing outside her gate. Hi, Sha! The girl greeted her by waving her hands. Hey, what are you doing here? Shayna asked. Well, I figured that this week might be your hell week. I just knew that anytime you might need a breather and I decided to accompany you. Sakto ba dating ko? The girl said while scratching her nape. Ano yung nape? Abato. Shayna just chuckled and she could feel the butterflies in her stomach flying rampantly. Rampantly! She smiled and offered her hand to the latter. The latter looks at her hand. Hesitating, she's confused. Halika na bago pa magbago isip ko, Shayna smiled. The girl didn't need to have a second thought and just intertwined her hand with Shayna. It's weird to feel like our hands are perfectly fit with each other. It's like they are meant for each other. Amy. It felt home to hold your hand. Yun lang, nahulog na. Ayun lang! I love you! Your smile can ease all my tiring days. Ang ganda ng ngiti mo, mahal. Medyo weird. The moon already appears in the sky. Shayna found herself on the beach, sitting on the sand. Nasa beach! Kailan siya pumunta ng beach? Sitting on the sand, she can hear the sound of the waves. She can feel the sand and the water through her skin. Wow. She's also aware of the presence beside her. She's not alone, she's with someone. She looked to her right side and there she saw the girl. Kale, her greatest love. Smiling while looking into her eyes, Shayna leaned her head in Kale's shoulder. They became silent and took their time to appreciate the place. Sha! Kale started almost whispering. Shaina instantly broke after she heard her name. This is the first time she cried after hearing it from Kale's voice. Mahal, ayoko pa, Shaina said between hiccups. Paano yun? Mahal, ayoko pa. You know? She intertwined her fingers with Kale's. Wow! Hindi ko pa kaya. She closed her eyes, feeling the presence with the person beside her. Baby, 5 years na po. Kale starts, her voice cracked. Shayna gripped her hold to Kale's hand. After that, in any minute, Kale will disappear with her touch. Wow! I can't, Kale. Mahal na mahal kita, please! Shayna begged, opening her eyes to be welcomed by Kale with the same states as her. Shayna begged, opening her eyes? Pabuka? I can't tell. Mahal na mahal kita. Kale wiped her tears while showing her smile. Baby, please listen to me. Kale cleared her throat, holding Shayna's cheeks. You need this, okay? We need this. We need to move forward. I love you so damn much. But this is the end, Shaq. We need to move on. Kailangan mong makinig sa akin, okay? Ayoko nahihirapan ka, baby. Shayna shakes her head. Siguro na ganun siya sa beach, no? No, ayoko! Yung nasa script. No! No! Nahihirapan din ako. Kale broke. It stopped Shayna. She's still suffering. It's already 5 years since Kale died. Patay na? So kausap ko multo? Mahirapan din ako na nakikita kang ganyan siya. I need you to understand me, please. Pakawalan mo na ako. Babe, papakawalan na talaga kita. Multo ka na eh. Doon ka na. Doon ka na kay Lord. Mahal kita pero doon ka na kay Lord. Shayna stopped. She understands now. She needs to let her go. Shayna needs to move forward for them to move on. You'll always be forever in my heart. Gusto ko, aalis ka ng lugar na to na okay ka ha? Mahal na mahal kita, Shayna. Shayna engulfed. Be, ano yung engulf? Sabihin niyo sa akin, anong meaning ng engulf? Hug lang pala. Shayna engulfed her with a tight hug. This is the last time she can cry on her shoulders. They stayed like that for minutes until Shayna broke the hug. Mahal din kita, Kale. Mahal na mahal. And this time, Shayna leaned and Kale accepted her. Ano accepted? And before anything turns cold, Shayna felt Colette's lips on her. Huh? Ba't Colette? When she opens her eyes, Colette is nowhere to be seen. She just smiled and looked at skies. You'll always be my long-lost greatest love, Kale. Atay po, kaya pala patulog sa ati Colette. Wala nag-kiss na sa lips. And they say, you only fall in love with 3 people in this lifetime. Puppy love. Hey, I've been there, the puppy love. Difficult love. And everlasting love. But what if you experience it all in one person? Ay, wow! Love is beautiful. It can bring light, happiness. Love can also bring hurt and pain. Real! But in the end, you will realize that every piece of it was worth it, no matter how it destroyed you, because it gives you an important lesson in life. Tapos na. Alam niyo yung nakita ko next. Yun yung outro ng EU, guys. Ganda ng EU, pero I'm scared na. Wala pa kasi yung kasama sa condo. So, I'm scared na. Sabi niyo nakakaiyak pero puro horror. Ayoko lang basa. Niloloko niyo ko eh.